Hey friends! Car vacuum cleaners ensure quick, convenient removal of dust, crumbs, and pet hair, keeping vehicles spotless and fresh. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car vacuum cleaners for daily cleaning in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the This Work Car Vacuum Cleaner. This mini corded vacuum is a practical and highly reliable solution for keeping your vehicle's interior spotless. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, it's remarkably compact, lightweight, and ergonomically designed for comfortable single-handed use. The large, transparent dustbin easily collects ash, dirt, drive-through crumbs, and spills, making it the perfect tool for everyday messes and quick detailing sessions. Powered by a robust 106W motor, it utilizes cyclonic force and powerful suction to effectively lift stubborn debris, beach sand, and embedded pet hair from seats and floor mats. It's especially adept at reaching tricky areas like under the seats and deep between cushions. The washable HEPA filter ensures superior air filtration while maintaining long-term peak performance. This comprehensive interior cleaning kit includes 3 highly useful attachments: a flathead, an extendable hose, and a brush nozzle, plus a handy carry bag, a filter cleaning brush, and a spare HEPA filter. Unlike battery-powered units, it runs directly off your 12V auxiliary outlet, so you never have to worry about mid-clean charging. Its generous 16-foot power cord provides ample reach to tackle back seats and spacious trunks with total ease. Next up, our second product, the Saker Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This 3-in-1 multifunctional mini vacuum is an incredibly compact yet exceptionally powerful solution for everyday cleaning tasks. Expertly designed for blowing, suction, and pumping, it effortlessly handles car seats, dusty keyboards, computer cases, tight window tracks, and even minor workshop debris. Its sheer versatility makes it an ideal tool for both automotive and home use. Powered by an upgraded, high-efficiency brushless motor, this handheld unit delivers up to a staggering 17,000 pascals of strong suction, featuring 3 easily adjustable power levels ranging from 7 kilopascals up to the max setting. Whether you're dealing with ultrafine dust, stubborn sand, food crumbs, or clinging pet hair, it cleans quickly and efficiently with minimal physical effort. Weighing a mere 380 g, its foldable, cordless architecture makes it outstandingly portable. Once folded, it practically fits right into the palm of your hand, perfect for discreet storage in a glove compartment or desk drawer. The built-in 3x2500 mAh batteries ensure long-lasting, fade-free performance, while standard Type-C charging offers the ultimate convenience to recharge anywhere. Equipped with both a washable HEPA filter and a durable fine steel mesh filter, plus a full set of practical attachments, it delivers top-tier performance. Coming in at number 3, the HRYCF Car Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful cordless model delivers an impressive 20,000 pascals of peak suction, making it incredibly easy to deep clean upholstery, carpets, tight cabin corners, and stubborn debris. From daily dashboard dust to deeply embedded food crumbs and pet hair, it provides the robust performance you absolutely need for a consistently spotless ride. Engineered for maximum convenience, it offers true cleaning freedom without the hassle of dragging cords around your garage. With modern Type-C fast charging, you can power it up virtually anywhere, in the car, at your desk, or at home, meaning no wall outlet is strictly required. Its unique 4-in-1 versatility is what truly sets it apart from standard models. Beyond incredible suction power, it can also act as an air duster to blow debris out of tight vents, inflate small air beds or pool floats, and gently brush delicate interior surfaces. Packed with an impressive array of 12 included attachments, it adapts flawlessly to car interiors, living room spaces, and office desks. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, it remains incredibly lightweight and compact enough to permanently store right in your trunk or glove box for emergencies. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Cfuelan Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This highly portable unit packs jaw-dropping power into a remarkably compact footprint. Equipped with an advanced 21 kilopascals brushless motor, it delivers an incredibly strong, consistent suction force that easily eradicates tough sand, crumbs, pet hair, and fine dust from vehicle interiors, deep home corners, and even delicate electronics. Despite its deceptively small size, it performs with the vigor of a full-sized cleaner. The ingenious 4-in-1 multifunctional design means it is so much more than just a standard dust buster. It can seamlessly transition to vacuum, blow dust, inflate items, and even vacuum seal storage bags, drastically reducing your need for multiple bulky devices. With 8 professional-grade accessories included, such as a precision crevice tool, flexible extension hose, wide floor nozzle, blower tip, and inflation nozzles, it easily handles tight console gaps, large messes, and air mattresses alike. Weighing in at only 1.43 pounds, it is light and portable enough to slide directly under your car seats or into door pockets. The robust built-in battery provides up to 45 minutes of continuous runtime and fully recharges in just 2.5 hours via a Type-C cable, complete with one-touch emptying and a 99.9 efficient HEPA filter. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Mr.ego car vacuum portable cordless, delivering serious motorized power housed within a sleek, compact body. This model is driven by a blazing fast 100,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor. It effortlessly produces up to 20,000 pascals of strong, unyielding suction, absolutely perfect for eliminating stubborn crumbs, lingering dust, pet dander, and heavy debris from tight car crevices, messy desktops, and intricate keyboards. It acts as a highly reliable solution for quick yet extremely thorough daily cleanups. Its brilliant 4-in-1 versatility ensures it operates as much more than a simple vacuum. In addition to high-powered suction, it can blast dust out from impossibly tight vent gaps, inflate camping air mattresses or summer pool floats, and even deflate or seal bulky clothing storage bags. The comprehensive included accessories, featuring specialized crevice tools, soft brush heads, extended suction nozzles, and dual-purpose air nozzles, ensure it easily adapts to any task at hand. A brilliantly bright green LED light effectively illuminates hidden dirt lurking in dark cabin corners, deep seat gaps, and shadowed floor mats for far more precise detailing. Weighing barely 1 pound, it boasts ultra-lightweight portability paired with rapid Type-C charging and simple HEPA maintenance. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.